All right, so this nasty ass faucet. I haven't been here in 7 months, so no idea why it's this nasty. But apparently there was a freeze here in South Texas, and now that's about as much water comes out either side. So I'm assuming the problem is within the faucet, maybe not, or in the lines, but maybe not also. Hopefully replacing the whole thing will fix it, and I bought a new one. This is what I picked up, and the way this one is, you don't need to add the lines because it already has them. So yeah, I'm gonna swap that out and hopefully see if that fixes it. So under the sink here, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut off the water supply, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this drain trap out because I gotta replace this piece anyway, and that'll give me a chance to clean this out. I'm pretty sure there's crap and hair and all kinds of stuff in there. And yeah, I'm gonna just basically gut the whole thing out, undo all that stuff, get it out of there, and yeah, and then I'm gonna test these and make sure that I got a good water flow, so I know that the problem's not somewhere else. But I have a feeling the problem is, drop my phone, good idea. I have the feeling the problem is like up in here where it divides the water. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I'm gonna clean this because I gotta get all up personal in there, and I don't want to lay in that crap. So all right, so give it a quick wipe down. It smells nice and fresh now. So I'll get in here and I'll go ahead and shut these water valves off. It's a good sign that they turned. This guy, this is a little rougher because it's right by the drain. The plug, I mean. Focus, you fuck. All right, that guy's off. So I got a standard size. I mean, it should be about the same for everybody. Is 5/8. There you go, 5/8, and that should get your lines off. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'll do that, and then I'll start working on knocking this guy out. Okay, so I got the water lines off. This guy, I guess his valve's bad. It continues to drip even though it's completely off. Yeah, but it doesn't matter when the line's hooked up, it doesn't drip like that. So got this guy loose. Not looking forward to seeing what comes out of that. Oh, that got right in my mouth. Nice. I'm just gonna unhook the other one here, which kind of, oh god, that smells amazing. All right, well, I'm gonna put the phone down so I can get this other bottom one off and then clean that nastiness out. It's off. Yeah. Oh man, that's fucking lovely. Also lovely. Oh god. All right, so I'm gonna get this guy off, and this whole bottom rig is ready to drop out, and I think I gotta undo that so I get that nut. I gotta undo that so I get that nut all the way down. I don't even know, but that's annoying. Yeah. All right, and then also I still gotta get the lines off so I can get those plastic washers off, those plastic nuts, I guess. So I gotta find a wrench that'll get that off. Ugh, I left my beer in the freezer too long. The entire thing is freezing. Frozen beer. Son of a bitch. All right, so I got the two water lines off. Just got in there with a crescent wrench, and I think I gotta bust that guy off so that way so the whole thing will fit up in there. But yeah, so and then I gotta get these little black nuts off. I gotta, hopefully I can get those off with my hand. We'll see. Okay, so that was actually pretty easy. Got those two off, got the plastic guy off of there. So technically the whole thing should just lift up and out. And let's see if we can do that right now. There it is. So that's out. I'm gonna give this area a little scrub down and we'll start installing the new one. Sweet. So I just got me a little Brillo pad, a little dish soap and hot water. Soak that up a little bit and go to work. Oh yeah. Just gonna have to clean this whole dang sink. Said I ain't been here in over 7 months, so man, nobody really cleans up here. Oh yeah, that made quick work out of that. Just gotta run this over the rest of the house, eh? Oh, even the rust over here, look at that. Dang. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this whole sink a good scrub over. But for right now, let's just get this, yeah, put that right there. All right, so you still see a little residue there, but that is good enough for the kind of girls I go out with. So, and plus the new faucet's gonna cover, I think, pretty much all that, hopefully. But yeah, so now let's get the new guy in there. All right, so that's the guy just sitting there. It's not bolted in, it's leaning, you know. I still got the hardware to install it from the bottom. So I'm gonna climb under there and start running it down, connect the water lines, and then work on the drain part. All right, so it's got this little adapter guy. It's got a little rubber guy and a metal guy, and that's gonna go up into there where those threads are, right there. And then I'm gonna try to run this guy through, but I need both hands for this, so stand by. All right, so I got the lines hooked up, hot water, cold water. I got it tightened up there. So faucet is completely installed except for the drain. So I need silicone, and I forgot. So I got to get that in the morning, and I'll probably pull this guy out tonight. But I can at least check this, make sure we got no leaks. So make sure the faucet's off. Yeah, faucet's off. Turn the water on. Yeah, focus is gonna be my friend today. Yeah, we got the hot and cold on. All right, everything's fully on. No drips, no drips. All right, cool. So we'll see if that's what fixed the faucet issue. Try hot. Got hot. Try cold. Ooh, we got cold. All right, cool. Yeah, tomorrow I'll go get some silicone and can do the drain, and Monkey's your uncle. Okay, so we're in the home stretch here. Faucet's fully installed, works perfectly. Now we're onto the drain part, and this particular guy, there was no rubber gasket, and their instructions suggested a clear silicone when you drop that guy in, and then the bottom guy screws in from the bottom. And now I'm gonna install the plug orientation guy, son of a gun, whatever. And so this guy goes in this way with this guy facing towards the back, and this guy, which is cool, I've never seen this before, instead of a screw type, it just literally just pushes and locks in, and it'll grab into the bottom of this guy, which is cool. And then this guy will go into that guy, one of the holes, depending on, and also too, this is cool, like it literally just pushes up into the metal rod, the drain stopper, the drain guy, like it'll push into that and it'll lock in, and then oops, whatever hole it lines up with that it works with, you know, you find whatever hole is appropriate for the guy, and then that's that. And then next thing I'm gonna do is just reinstall my drain trap, and I gotta clean that thing. It's nasty. Ugh, don't even want that to focus because it's disgusting. But yeah, so that's what I gotta do next, and cool. Okay, so here we are on the underside, and you can see water lines are all hooked up, and there's the metal guy coming down. So we're gonna, I guess we're gonna hook up the guy that connects to that, locks into that, and then we'll put the other guy in, and then we'll tighten this guy up. That guy's loose right now, so I need both hands, so I can't really film and do this, but I'll update you when I snap this shit together. That was relatively painless. I got that guy snapped in, this guy locked in. This is on the, that's the drain plug up, drain plug down. We got plenty of action there. Cool. So now I just gotta put the stink trap guy back on, and I gotta clean that up. It's pretty disgusting, but tighten that guy up. It looks all right. We'll see. We'll see when I do a test. All right, so get the drain reinstalled, nice and tight. Everything nice and tight. Hope it doesn't leak. Let's find out. First test run. There we go. There it goes. Going. No, let me get some light. It's a good sign. That's not leaking, it's just wet from installing everything. Looks like we are good. Decent. Well, I just gotta clean this sucker, and good to go. Thanks for watching.